Have you ever pondered the future of space exploration amidst the increasing issue of space debris? Space debris, also known as space junk or space waste, refers to the collection of defunct objects that continue to orbit Earth long after their useful life has ended. This includes everything from abandoned satellites and spent rocket stages to fragments from disintegration, erosion, and collisions. Consider this: our planet is surrounded by a vast cloud of debris, a silent testament to our space exploration endeavors. But with every additional piece, the risk of catastrophic collisions increases, threatening not only our existing satellites, but also future space missions. As we venture further into the cosmos, it's crucial to remember that we're not just visitors in space, we're also residents. And like any responsible resident, we must manage our waste effectively. So, space debris, in simple terms, is the clutter we've left behind in space, and it's becoming a serious problem. Now that we understand what space debris is, let's delve into its causes and potential consequences. Space debris is primarily caused by human activities in space, such as satellite collisions and intentional destruction. For instance, consider the 2009 event when an inactive Russian satellite collided with an operational Iridium satellite. This incident not only created thousands of pieces of new debris, but also underscored the immediate risks associated with space debris. So, what are the potential consequences for space operations? The increasing accumulation of space debris could endanger both current and future space activities. Active satellites and space stations could be damaged by high-speed debris, disrupting vital communication and observation services. Further, the debris could also pose significant challenges for future missions, including manned missions to the Moon or Mars. In essence, our actions are creating an obstacle course in space that could significantly hinder future exploration and development. Or with such serious implications, how are we addressing this space debris challenge? Let's delve into that. Addressing space debris is no easy feat. It requires overcoming technical, logistical, and regulatory hurdles. Technically speaking, we're talking about identifying and tracking tiny fragments moving at high speeds in vast, unbounded space. Logistically, we're faced with the task of safely and cost-effectively removing this debris. And from a regulatory perspective, we need to ensure all activities align with international space law. A number of solutions have been proposed, ranging from debris removal missions to active debris removal technologies and improved space traffic management practices. For instance, missions could be designed to capture and deorbit large pieces of debris, while active technologies might use lasers or nets to remove smaller particles. Improved traffic management could help prevent future collisions. The key lies in international cooperation. This is a global challenge, and it requires a global solution. While the challenges are daunting, with global cooperation and innovation, we can pave the way towards a cleaner space environment. Cleaning up is crucial, but preventing further mess is equally important. But how can we achieve this? We can start by adopting sustainable practices in all space activities. This could mean designing satellites and spacecraft with their end-of-life disposal in mind. Instead of leaving defunct equipment to clutter the cosmos, we plan for their safe and efficient removal. Next, we need to implement guidelines for responsible space operations. Just like we have rules on Earth for everything from traffic management to waste disposal, we need equivalent regulations in space. These guidelines would help manage space traffic and mitigate the risk of collisions, further reducing the creation of debris. Finally, we must raise awareness among all stakeholders about the importance of space sustainability. Everyone involved, from satellite operators to space agencies, needs to understand the gravity of the issue and their role in resolving it. In the end, the sustainability of space activities is not just about preserving our access to space, but also about ensuring the long-term survival and prosperity of humanity itself.